Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to close your credit card on the US Bank app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer use your US Bank credit card. How do you actually go ahead and close your account on the US Bank app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first log on to the US Bank app. Next, we're going to click on the hamburger icon on the upper left-hand corner. Next, click on Manage Cards. Now, click on the credit card which you want to go ahead and close. From here, scroll down and then click on Close Account. Now, once you click on this, follow the on-screen prompts to go ahead and close your account. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and close your credit card on the US Bank app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.